is Chef Perry, the vegan gorilla. Today, I'm going to make a little roasted eggplant hummus. And you don't see this stuff in stores. Something I just kind of came up with, and the flavors are just phenomenal when they work together well. So it's pretty simple ingredients. We'll start with stove heated at 350, and we're going to roast our eggplant. So I just cut them in half. Little thin bulb of garlic, cut the tops off. And what we're going to do is sprinkle a little salt on first. A little Himalayan sea salt here. And then some olive oil. Put that on. Right on the tops of the garlic. Leave all the garlic right in the bulb itself. Scoop with a little quick brush. And then I'm going to add just a little dab of salt corn, just in case we lost some during the first spreadings of it. And then a little love. Oh yeah, gotta have the love, baby. All right, so we're gonna put these face down, and throw them in the oven, 350 for about 45 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. And we'll hold on back of this. Sometimes I like to use the skin in this too. And we'll come back and whip it together. All right? See you in a bit. Hello, gorillas. I am back. We have our roasted eggplant and garlic. We have our Vitamix and our few ingredients. I added a little extra something on here, liquid smoke, to give it that smoky flavor. So let's get started. And bigger fork. Still warm, but I'm going to scrape all this out. Sometimes I put some of the skin in. Ooh, that's hot. Yep, that's hot. So you might want to let it cool down a little bit before you attempt this. De-skinning. Ooh. Put some of that in there. Just going to put that right in there like that. I'm going to add some of that skin. All right. Let's get this one done. Give you a little peel. Yeah, let's put that right in there. Leave some skin on that one. Okay, get our fresh garlic. I'm going to take about 1 clove. These things just squeeze right out. Nice and roasted. 2, 3. Hot. 4. Let's go with 5. And I need something for my hands. 1 second. All right. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put in some of our ingredients. So here we're going to put some of our ingredients in. We have our tahini. About half a cup of that. Put that in there. Let goodness. Helps give it that creaminess. Tahini is just the sesame seeds grounded up to a paste. All right. Basic ingredient for any hummus. And then we have some lime juice. A couple splashes of that. My liquid hickory smoke. I'm doing about a tablespoon of that one. A few generous pinches of Himalayan salt. 3. I'll adjust it as we go along. And a little splash of olive oil. Not much, about a tablespoon. And then maybe a little splash of H2O. All right, let's get this bad boy on here, get her started, and we'll do a little taste test. Cover your ears, flat. team. Taste test. Just a little bit more lime. Another pinch of salt. All right, let's go. All right. Look at that, Steve. That's good. Wow. Really taste that smokiness from the liquid smoke. And very creamy, very creamy. Well, look at this. I'm going to show you guys this. Hang on, let me get some. I'll be right back. Okay, folks. Look at that. Oh my God, that looks good. Still steaming, still hot. Oh, smell it, the hickory and the eggplant. Look at that. This stuff is great as an appetizer for fresh cut veggies. You want to dip. Use chips. You can put it inside of for falafels. You can put it inside of your tacos. Use it as a sauce. You can actually even use it as a pasta sauce if you want. It doesn't take much. You don't have to use the whole thing. It will actually spread out really well. And yeah, there's just so many uses for this, and the flavoring is great. It's almost a cross between a baba ganoush and a hummus. Basically, the ingredients are pretty close. Anyways, it's between the two, but yeah, as a hummus and a dip, this stuff is really good. I'd like to put this on, like I said, if I make any kind of sandwiches or spreads, or if I make a wrap or something, this is really, really good. All right, don't want to leave any goodness in there. That's for sure. Wow. All right. Last taste test. Wow, it looks good. Jackpot. Wow. That is really good. I love this. I've made this quite a few times already. I thought I should share this with you guys. It's just too good not to share it with anyone. So this I'm going to give a 5 out of 5 gorillas. The smokiness, the creaminess, such a great additive to add on to any kind of, like I said, meal, as a side, anything. And tacos, whatever you like, this stuff, give it a shot. This stuff is really, really satisfying. Just a few ingredients, doesn't take much. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe, maybe leave a comment, hit the like button, and see what you want to do to this. Okay, so if I don't see you again, or I do see you again, namaste. See ya.